This is the Uhlenbrock LocoNet cable tester. Get it out of its pouch. So it's quite a handy thing for identifying LocoNet cables and also for checking their continuity. So if you've had a cable that's been crimped, you may have lost some of the contacts. So we'll plug a cable into the main unit. I can separate that off and plug into the other end. If we've got long enough, we'll just put it back together. And we turn it on, and then it will run through a little test of all the connections. And if any of the lights don't light up on this end, then you've got a continuity break. You can slow it down by pushing across to S, so you've got off, on and slow. So that's the 6 strands in a LocoNet cable, and that's the newer version of LocoNet. So it runs in series 1, 2, 3 to 6. What I've got here is an old style LocoNet cable, so that the plugs are twisted around, and you'll see that best when I plug it in and put it on the tester. So we turn it on with the strand 6 lights up first. So the strands inside it are the opposite way round on the fastener. There we are. So even though it's named a LocoNet cable tester, it will also allow you to test other makes of cable. So this is an RJ45 cable, and it's one that's supplied with the Gauge-Master Prodigy. So if you wanted to check those, then you can do the same. And here you can check all the strands on that. So again, if you've got a break in continuity, you can establish why your system isn't working. This one's okay. Finally, we have an XpressNet cable, and if you look closely at that, there's only 4 connections instead of the 6 on the LocoNet. But again, you can put it into the tester. Oops. And you'll see we start at 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are. So it's just a handy tool, particularly if you're doing lots of repairs or if you're maintaining a layout, just to make sure you're using the right cables or make sure that your cables are working